Hey guys, this is a quick video. I've decided to buy a pair of these LCT 140 Airs by Lewitt that I heard so much about. So I decided to do a comparison video on the original LCT 140s. So here we go. So I tried my best to try and play the hi-hats with the same amount of weight, which is basically the stick. So as you can see in the following video, I tried to get it as even as possible throughout the three mics. So there will be the original LCT 140, then the 140 Air, and then again with the Air switch on, and then the good old SM57 for comparison. So check it out. Okay, so which of the three do you prefer? The LCT 140, the 140 Air, or the good old SM57? Please let me know in the comments below, and I'll do a follow-up video of this one to read out some comments. See you there.